Welcome back. Now we have a case where the client has looked at the work and they have decided that the first portion they are ready to remit payment for. And so you can account for that in Quicken. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the Video Creation Client's Account Receivable window. And then we're going to click on Category. And you're going to notice that there is a box at the bottom that says Receive Payment. We're going to go ahead and click that link. So we're now going to write in the fact that the client has paid part of the funds, that they did it by check. And what we're going to do is we're going to write a memo in here telling ourselves what it is that actually happened. Now, when this check comes in, it has to go someplace. So we're going to work with this deposit window, and we're going to place it in our business checking account. And so what we're going to do is we're going to apply $2,700 to the overall invoice, and then we're going to click Enter. So what you'll notice now is the $2,700 reflected on the invoice, that there's a $300 balance. And if we were to go to our balance sheet, we would be able to see this $2,700. And we'd see it mainly reflected in the increase in the business checking account. We can actually go to our income statement and see the same thing. And we actually now see for the month to date that there is a $2,700 sale item in our income statement. Because we are simplifying our statements, we are working primarily on a cash basis. And so our cash flow statement will be much the same as our income statement. And so you'll see that the cash inflows as of the middle of the month are still $3,200 and the expenses are primarily the same. And one of the things that you may have noticed is that our remaining invoice for video creation clients still has a balance of $300, but is currently not on our balance sheet. And you can see that here. And that is because by default, Quicken will only show you the cash method of accounting for your balances. Now you can actually change that designation to accrual by going to the Customize tab, then going to Advanced, and then changing your reporting basis to accrual. Now again, anything that you want to do in terms of reporting for taxes, you do want to check with your tax professional before you make a change. However, if you're just looking at these reports internally to accurately reflect what you actually have, what you have coming in and going out, this is another way of being able to do that. So we're going to click OK. And what you'll see here under Other Assets is an account receivable called Video Creation Clients. It's $300 and considered to be an asset, and actually raises your total assets by that $300. Now again, if all you want to reflect is the cash that you see coming in and the cash that you've actually had coming into your bank account, because that is more accurate to you, then you can go to the Customize tab, you can go back to Advanced, and then you can click the Cash button and click OK. And then you'll see that the total other assets are no longer reflected. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.